Do you want to improve your English fast? Watch this. Do you want to speak English with your boss? Let's continue the story. This is Raju. Raju works in a warehouse. Now Raju can speak some English. He is learning every day. One morning, Raju comes early. He is ready for work. His boss calls him. Boss says, Raju, come here. Raju says, yes, sir. Raju goes to the boss. Boss says, you are doing good work. Raju feels happy. Raju says, thank you, sir. Boss says, I have a new task for you. Raju listens carefully. Boss says, check these boxes. Boss says, count them and write the number. Raju feels a little nervous, but he says, okay, sir, I will do it. Raju goes to the boxes. He looks at them. He starts counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. He counts slowly. He writes the number. After some time, he goes back. Raju says, sir, I finished. Boss checks the work. Boss smiles. Boss says, good job, Raju. Raju feels proud. Next day, boss gives more work. Boss says, talk to the driver. Boss says, tell him to wait. Raju feels nervous again. He thinks, can I do this? But he tries. Raju goes to the driver. Raju says, hello? Driver says, hello? Raju says, please wait. Driver says, okay. Raju feels happy. He goes back to the boss. Raju says, sir, I told him. Boss says, very good. Day by day, Raju improves. Now he speaks more English. He understands more. He's not afraid now. One day, boss asks, Raju, do you like this job? Raju smiles. He says, yes, sir, I like this job. Boss says, good, keep learning. Raju says, yes, sir, I will learn more. In the evening, Raju thinks. He thinks about his journey. Before he was scared. Now he is confident. Before he was silent. Now he speaks. Raju smiles. He says, I can speak English. Very good, Raju. Now repeat. I will do it. I finished. Please wait. I like this job. Practice every day.